Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall length is about like a 65 inches. Include the front handlebar and back hinge. They almost about like a 31 inches. And overall height about like a 32.5 inches. As you can see, this model coming with the front handlebar right here, single flip, and they have a lockers right here. And at the bottom, you can see the water jet over there. And also front side, they're having the controllers right here, the adjuster from level 1 to level 7, and all the running lights at the front. The units coming with the standard 110 plugs. And also, let's take a look at the back side. At back side, you can see we're having the stickers right here, all the car sheets right here, and also having the ETL sanitation approval sticker right here, and the compressor is at the bottom. And let's go ahead to take a look at the inner side. Let's take a look at the inner side. Inner side overall length about like a 59 inches. And about like a 25.5 inches in the depth. (21.5 inches in the width. And also the unit comes with the two basket inner side, also thermometers right here. Let's take a look at the baskets. It's almost like 11 inches wide, 20.5 inches in the length, and 9 inches in the tall. That's all the information for the inner side. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.